we are said there, you say, what the intro, a cotadia, or the intro, Nigeria.
Susu Jawanumo, Susu Jawanumo, Yanewa Neteha. Open a ball, you business is Jawanum, the anyone that took Rudy Animal. Says you never in fact, attack a corner sopa. A member of parliament for Tamale Central constituency, I was a minister for environment, science and technology, Honorable Murtala Mohammed. I was saying attack a corner so papa, amount for fire and a hard one. Eke come waging echelon. Assemble NSC. Hi Penyah block media. Measure say any demo. Over like a video and down my post subscribe button. Never click on notification and connect latest updates. Now by channel and down my ever comment especially so baswa. Over share video money so any be ashe. Yebeki 2022. Eko for eko PMO BBC Africa ewo USA. Eko ye interview bi. Ehon okoyi tu mo say Ghana economy no it has been affected by COVID-19 and the Ukraine-Russia war.
If I look at the Ghanaian economy at the moment, it's doing, I mean, let's just be honest, it's doing terribly.
Not terribly.
Well, your inflation in your country, inflation in Ghana.
I don't know the economy in the world that's doing well. Tell me
where
you are here.
Inflation in Ghana.
The highest inflation.
Well, 15.7%. The Ghanaian cedi has fallen 20% on the dollar, the worst after Russia, which has a lot of sanctions against it.
It's began to firm up. It has begun to firm up, and we're seeing the cedi systematically appreciating against the dollar.
People still can't employ. I was just reading today. People in the hospitality industry that you're pushing so hard. Having to lay their staff off. We've got taxi driver unions threatening strikes because of spiraling fuel costs. I mean, it doesn't look like a place that I want to go and put my money.
Where will you put your money in the world today? Where will you put your money? In Britain, which is suffering the worst standard of living statistics for over 30 years? Is it? I think let's situate ourselves correctly. The world is going through very difficult times. Ghana is no exception. Nigeria is no exception. There's no country in the world that is escaping the ravages of both COVID-19 and also the impact of the. But what you need to look at are where are the elements being put on the ground that look beyond the COVID and beyond the Russian-Ukraine war. And I think you'll find that in Ghana, the recovery program that we have is one that is considered very credible, and it is what is going to give us the opportunity to come out of this period a stronger economy. And it is that future that we're looking at when we're attracting people.
What I say, I go for Canada, I go down Kumobi, I will be busy for Akache. And my go for here this interview and Honorable Murtala Mohammed, maybe I'm watching the video. Honorable Murtala Mohammed, SBA interview casino, Seko for the Kase. Economy is being affected by COVID-19 and Ukraine-Russia war. A deception.
That the argument that is being made that because of Ukraine-Russia, that is why in global crude price about 140, 130, we are paying more. It is a deception. The people of this country, they are robbing you.
But how is it deception?
It's a deception because we are now a net producer of fuel.
But how much are we benefiting from the fuel?
Well, even if we, for example...
And I'm told that, we part of the funds also goes to the free SHS.
Oh, but how much?
What? I mean, government has spent about 7 point something billion.
That's a kind of thing that TSA. Yes, so pa Kufuor the PP government and no Gumbene in fact. Now more jepa. Kufuor the Gumbene hard one. Now, interestingly, Enra World Economic Forum happy with USA. And Honorable Murtala Mohammed Ekobie. Murtala Kroya or criticize Kufuor so be you sue COVID-19 any Russia-Ukraine war as a defense for the abysmal performance of economy. A deception. Murtala Nkobie Enra or say he believes and he understands say our economy is being affected drastically by COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine war.
The Russia-Ukraine war and the unfortunate, trade war, which started as suspicion, and now we are living the reality and taking into consideration the popular saying in Ghana that when two elephants fight, is the grasshopper that suffers. So we do know the challenges that will be confronting us. And the broader effects of COVID-19 pandemic cannot be lost on any country, including Ghana.
Obube, it is a asono, any asono, agent to call Kwayima, Imurano, and a bre, the asono na kesieno, when the economic giants, the word economic giants, when they get issue, yene was yana ye, Todofia Fana Yaban, yene bebre, and as asking what kind we know. And then the TikTok mountain, so they almost say David, honorable. It's now winning way pana. Oh, Yaman Kata Winnie. Ebe Casabe super Kuford, any Sumay, the Ebe Ewo.
We are said, you say, what the intro, Ecotadia, what the intro Nigeria. Na, the Biado Macase, car, ya dear no car, in accident. Inti, what dear, Minka Sanche, say, it's now cream. The bia na ye kasa wo TV ni radio so na even journalist host for omayo omo ho se de bia no omo nkenkan na omeya manyosem omo ma won ka ye wo se wo ka since 2021 ibiase ebutu ye the bia time one na do MPP aban e wo so your TV ni radio so wo ka COVID-19 Russia Ukraine war asemo na journalist host for so ya no na mo de bia mo pesa na NDC for so ene all journalists ene NDC for or say mo de mo kutuji in sadan say na mo apologize to Ghana for my video way.
The Russia-Ukraine war and the unfortunate, trade war which started as suspicion, and now we are living the reality. And taking into consideration the popular saying in Ghana that when two elephants fight, is the grasshopper that suffers. So we do know the challenges that will be confronting us. And the broader effects of COVID-19 pandemic cannot be lost on any country, including Ghana.
Honorable Murtala, Hon Kasalo, what Ghana, no mu chantro, chere Ghana for, who could draw a manonia, na manoa sesa. And that is some of what we hear some mechanism here. Ghana for her. Whereas here, journalists, especially, you guys should apologize to Ghanaians because you can't escape from the truth. And your minister, our Minister for Environment, Murtala, and the Kasano. Or say in Sumi no kwa grasshopper and then Yamania. They say, Unim. NDC for you name and so no. A man your semunti, a more pet a kunyan so a betina. Tell me, could you put the Macase? There will be nothing new because yet the spanner 10 in a 2 battery. So be the spanner 10 a 2 battery. Now see a year no, na year the 2 battery. Now be to me a 2 battery now. Your battery now. We are a spanner, the 2. And I don't know, I said, maybe Ghana. You guys should apologize, especially the journalists, TV host, radio host. You got transnational in Russia, Ukraine. Hey, and I'm more pass, and I'm more excuses. No more cancel here. And that's a Murtala and Kasano.
And then the Russia, Ukraine war, and the COVID-19. Edia, which are Bagana, and then I'm Ghana for your watching. Sir. Enya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bi. Enya Nana Danko Akufo-Addo bi. Enya MPP aban bi. Russia Ukraine war. Anokwa. NDC for udi omani mu ehu. Udi omachi ehu. Ene Honorable Murtala Tamale Central MP. Ekwa amanone. Eko jina Ghana name. Ni yebisa se Ghana economy na adenti na mu economy na atete apansam sa. Akofo me sa. Papa to the Numutio Catchere and said, a Russia Ukraine war, any COVID-19 by and I'm how any apinidi abagana. Parliament won't pass a baby. Yanemo communicators, Yanemo TV soon radio so near what Russia Ukraine war can be yamo. Hypocrite nyachom. Me the Dibia me come say politics, my osama ye politics a ye. Me nipe nibia tem da. Because me oyam papa me pe, oyam mami me pe. na MDC for mama ye hu se sa to me na mo pen na mo nwere Ghana for mesra mo mo ba me di amu be di matem no enya ma adwese be be di pani bia na sa MDC abayoku atem ta na mama mo ho aye hu enne ya namfofo teacher for nurse for enne mo ye adwuma magazine mo ye adwuma ahodo ana NDC for twa tro kire mo se ye na yamafo he enne Russia the largest producers of oil and gas. I'm telling you, oil and gas. Russia and the largest producers. Go say phone. Now content video so now search it. You can't crunch them say this for you. And you be pay no more pay dia ya catch them amount.
Fear NDC and save your life. Hon Murtala Mohammed. Why am I papa? Ebusuafo adin na make asa. Yenhwe video yi embra yenhwe video no.
The Russia-Ukraine war and the unfortunate, trade war which started as suspicion, and now we are living the reality and taking into consideration the popular saying in Ghana that when two elephants fight is a grasshopper that suffers. So we do know the challenges that will be confronting us, and the broader effects of COVID-19 pandemic cannot be lost on any country, including Ghana.
Hon Murtala Mohammed eka or say Russia-Ukraine war no. Send the Okasa bi Ghana say asunu mienu ko a eye grass cutter I can say nkrantie ona mo ha ba asem. Or say Russia-Ukraine war no affecting Ghana. Nenye Ghana nko an any so many countries. Na COVID-19 crowd yenka. These were the same people Omakacho say Russia-Ukraine war and COVID-19 etwam na affect Ghana okwan bia so. These are the same people. These are the same people. Me say Yakopon pene no krefo na mo amena mutu ya na mo feel say mo kan atum no Yakopon be kam atum. Ene won say mo kasa mo admit say Russia-Ukraine war any COVID-19 affected Ghana and it's still affecting Ghana. Mr. Remo afei die ba ne saying when did you people realized say Russia-Ukraine war and COVID-19 affected Ghana and it's still affecting Ghana? You people are hypocrites. You people are hypocrites. Dangopong edneni shamu. God is watching you people. You people lied to Ghanaians and told Ghanaians that Russia-Ukraine war and COVID-19 is not affecting Ghana in any way. Now you people are in power today and you people are saying different things. God is watching you people. God is watching you people. Nyankopong pene no krefo. Nyankopong epe ene no krefo. God is watching you people. You people lie to Ghanaians. God is watching you people. God is watching you people. Nyanko Pompe and Enokrafo. God bless Anado Dankwa Ekufuado. God bless Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Nyanko Ponchida Ghana Nibia Nom Chida Obia Utienokre. Bidding Eddie Promise the blogger. Medasi.
So social media no so there. Honorable Murtala or trend the power general home media. I'm about to say, hey, honorable. Did you know this? No winning way. And answer no winning Nancy. When did you see this? When did you realize this? Tell your mama, I will comment section. I Penyah Block Media.